Good day guys, quick video for today. I'm in my living room, so it's yeah, kind of different, and this is not my work desk, but I'm working on here sometimes. Also my lighting is yellow. I just made sure it's yellow because I'm gonna use a white light in front of me, but just too much shit. I should be okay. Take two. Good day guys, I don't know why I have to explain things. I just want to. It's that I need to, but I just want to explain because I love to blabber. But anyway, we're gonna talk about drones today. This is the Mini 5 Pro. It's a very good drone. It's a very good drone. One of the things that I learned about this drone here is it can compete with the Air 3S. I have an Air 3S there for work, and this is just for fun, also for work though. But yeah, this could be just like the Air 3S. One of the first things that got my attention when I tried to first use this drone was, this one here. This is tailored from the Mavic Pro. The contraptions, like the contraptions. But yeah, this one here got me confused because it's annoying. I have other contraptions wherein they try to keep the propellers in. And this one keeps the propellers in, but installing it was a bit confusing until I looked into a tutorial on how to do it, and it's very simple. So most of the times we see this, and we see a lot of things, and like we just get confused and like, why is this so complicated, and why this thing is like this. So yeah, I tried to clear my mind out of it, and not really clear my mind. I looked into a tutorial, and I learned a lot from this guy. So I'm going to teach you how I'm going to look into this thing, how I'm going to treat this thing into using it with my drone. That way it'll be easier for you to understand. It'll be intuitive for you to use it, because this thing is like so annoying. If you have a Mini 5 Pro, it's really annoying. It got me annoyed. Yeah. So first things first, this thing has a lot of dangling thingamajiggies. So the way I'm going to look into this this gimbal protector is that I'm going to eliminate this in my head and eliminate all the crazy things that's in here. So first things first, I'm going to try to put this propellers up here, tuck them in. Am I correct? Yeah. Tuck them in. No, I don't think so. I don't script my video, so I just got confused now. Let's go back from the start. Let's start from the start, okay? So I'm just going to treat this one here as a cover, and I'm not gonna think of this thing. I'm gonna hold it like this. I'm not gonna think of this dangly thing here, and I'm not gonna think about the propellers and whatever. So on the old drones, you just need something to like cover the gimbal and whatnot. So what I do is I try to make sure that this notch here is gonna hit the notch here, just like the Air 3S. The Air 3S was a bit confusing at first, but yeah, just like that. So think of that, and then just slide it in front of your drone, and then you see this notches here. I wish you see it, but yeah, you just get them through those holes there. So forget about all the rest is dangling here. Just think about that first. So just tuck your drone in there. Go for the top first. Let's mount that there, and then the bottom one, try to position it there. But yeah, in doing so, just be careful of your camera. So like, yeah, tug it slowly, make sure that you don't hit much of your camera, and then make sure the top part is secure there, pretending that this thing does not exist. So just secure the top, and then try to move it slowly to line this thing here, line this thing towards those holes, and do. Oh, it's there. It didn't even click. Okay, I did my bisaya vlog, and then I found out that I can make it snap with a sound. So listen to this. Make sure that the top part is secured in here, like in that notch there, and then go to the bottom to secure the bottom one. Make sure you just slide it, and you see that snap again. Make sure the gimbal's like gently move the gimbal so that it could be protected there, and you see that one. I didn't say that part there. Just slowly. That doesn't sound good. Again. Yeah, when that thing snaps in there, your gimbal is secured, and you're just doing the finishing touches. So now it's like your drone has a cover in front. Just like the old Mini 3 and Mini 4, it has a cover in front. That's it. So the next thing you have to do is just tuck these two propellers here close with each other, and then pull this and try to secure. So you got the top secured. So go to the bottom, see your propeller here is still flapping around. Try to push it underneath here. So yeah, it's easy. Although you have to take note that these propellers are different from the rest. So when you use it, it just pulls itself away and it's locked. You can't bend it. So you have to push it in so that you can bend it. You know, in some tutorials. But yeah, so it's there. Yeah. So most of the time when we get drones, we get so just impatient and we don't try to see what's going on here, and like it's just a gimbal cover, you're just gonna place it there, and when you're putting it there you get annoyed and like, why is this not working, why is this shit? But yeah, if you understand it, eliminate all the things that's in here. Just think of this thing as a normal cap from the old drones if you have an old drone. So just a cap to secure the gimbal. So put that in there. Once it's there, you tuck this propeller in, tuck this other propeller in, and then you just pull this stretchy thing and then tuck the propellers. So there it is. It eliminates like how confusing this is, how annoying it is. Just think of this as just a simple gimbal protector and follow on with the propellers, and it'll be easy. I know. Did I say it right? I know. If you have any questions, just drop it here because I can explain it more. My brain is like acting up. I don't script my vlogs. At the same time, I'm not sponsored anyway, but I just speak my mind out. But I just blabber. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Just make it simple, and this drone will work for you, and this gimbal protector will work for you. At first, it's intimidating, it's annoying, it's confusing, but if you just eliminate all the other things that gets in your head, and it's just simple. Just a gimbal protector with a stretchy something, and it holds the propellers. Yeah, that's me coming from a guy who had the Mavic 1 first. I got the Phantom 4, and I got nearly all the drones, nearly, because I'm not that. And this one got me confused, but it's good now. Anyway, have a good one, guys.